What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So I'm starting off July, my first video with a flashlight. What's going on, right? I normally start with a mission knife, but this is technically a mission thing because it's Aimwin and I don't own nothing from them. And it's 50 bucks, so it meets the criteria. Don't worry, I'm not going to do 8 freaking flashlights a month. I had to check this thing out. I was scrolling through YouTube at like 2 in the morning, and Witty's Gear Reviews had this flashlight on there, which is actually a collaboration with Nightcore. Shout out to Witty, by the way. 50 bucks for 3,000 lumens. I'm a lumen nut. Doesn't have all that other fancy stuff, LED or like whatever, red light or big band of LEDs that dance around. Doesn't have all that stuff going on, but this is a straight up lumen machine. It's not very big. It'll blind a rhinoceros. Had to check it out. So yes, I will be back to pocket knives after this, but I had to check this thing out just for funs. I will be comparing it with my Hot Lie, not lying, it's called Hot Lie. You guys know this flashlight. This one's 2,000 lumens, so we're going to do a little lumen check. Make sure they're not lying about their lumens. I hope they're not, because that would make me very sad. Not really. I'd be all right. As long as it's bright enough, right? But 3,000 lumens, that's a lot of lumens for a little pocket flashlight. Oh, anything? Oh, yeah, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, built-in battery, 1,700 milliamp hours. 3,000 lumens, 22,500 CD for max intensity. Max distance 300, that's pretty far. Max resistance is 1 meter, so don't drop it from your face level, or unless you're like, yeah, whatever. IP rating of IP54. Let's get into this thing. Don't drop it from your face. Manual, might need that, not sure. What else we got going on? A little USB-C with a Velcro band with the name on it. That's kind of fancy. And, oh, thank God it's open. A lanyard. Not a bad looking lanyard. It's got a nice little clip on there. Carabiner. Plastic, but yeah, nice little thing. Braided paracord. Sweet. They know what we're looking for. And there's your flashlight. Let me pop it out of there. Get out of the thing. Get out. There we go. First thing you're going to notice is this big old billboard. It's kind of tacky, but I'm fine with that. Aimwin. Says hot there. There's your LEDs. You got a couple of them there. It's aluminum case. Feels kind of nice, actually. Got some texturing there. These are your power buttons. That's your main power button. That's, I think they said it's programmable or whatever, and I think that's how you activate the maximum output of the lumens, like the turbo mode, if you want to call it that. Little indicators right there. It's a battery, and then you got your output, so it'll be the different modes, I guess, of like low to high. I think it's 4 modes and then turbo. What else we got going on? Got some words. We got on. Oh, I think that's for the lock. So press and hold power button for lock. Indicator, 1 blink is half, 2 blinks is full, I guess. Then short press, then long press to, oh yeah, I remember Witty's showing us that. Short press and long press to unlock it. Neat. There's a little info. The clip itself looks like it's just a pocket clip. If you put it on your hat, it's going to go straight into your eyeballs, so don't do that. Unless it's somehow reversible by unscrewing this. I don't know. I don't put my lights on my hat. I just use it to blind giraffes or whatever. Pretty neat. Pretty good looking flashlight. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to compare it with this guy. Anything else I need to go over on this before I turn the lights off and get all spooky? Nope, turn the lights off. All right, so that really didn't do much, but I guess it's for my own whatever. So it is locked, so make sure it's, I guess, locked when you put it in your pocket because you don't want 3,000 lumens burning a hole through your thigh or your kneecap or wherever you keep your flashlight. But should just, yeah, there it goes. Now it's unlocked on the lowest mode as per the indicator, and we're not going to turn the hot lie on until it's time to get blind. But okay, so next, there's next. Wow, it's getting pretty bright already, and that's maximum as far as the regular settings. Now here is, all right, I hope this doesn't turn on my camera or do anything crazy. Here's the turbo mode. Okay, that's freaking bright. Let's hold it up. I'm gonna put it against the wall real quick. Oh yeah, that's pretty freaking bright. All right, let's actually turn this down. We'll turn on the hot lie. I don't know what level this one's at right now. I think it's at, okay, this is, all right. And then turbo mode on this one is a double tap. So double tap, and that's pretty bright. And then put this guy right here. Dude, I don't think they were lying. Hold that against the wall. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah. Don't think they were lying, guys. That is freaking bright. So, okay. Turn off the hot line. Oh, make sure again. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. All right, I'm gonna start. Turn off hotline. And this guy's still on. Okay, cool. Sorry, I'm excited. Dude, that thing is bright. So turn it off. Turn it off real quick. And it does get very hot. So yeah. Why is it still on? How am I still on? There it is. Okay. So after playing with these things, I don't think they're lying, dude. So the only way to order this right now is from their website. I'll drop a link, but I'm pretty sure this thing's going to pop up in other places, maybe Amazon, whatever. Yeah, Whitty, thanks again for turning me on to this freaking thing. But yeah, this is a this is pretty freaking bright. Let's turn on. I'm gonna turn it on again. I'm all excited. I'm like a dork. Holy crap. Don't put your hand in front of it. Yeah, you can feel the heat right away. That is bright, guys. I'm going to shine this in my backyard tonight and see what I can't find. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and watching me, a grown man, play with a flashlight like a kid. Thank you, like always, to my veteran brothers and sisters. And to you active duty military folks, be safe. See you guys in my next video, which will be a knife. Peace out.